Face Builder is a great add-on to create realistic faces from the pictures. You can buy it from the KeenTools.io website. It's a little bit pricey, but you have the money and you can buy it, and it makes your process a lot faster. Okay, now how to install it and use it. The first thing we need to do is install the add-on. In order to do that, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and click on the Install button. Then find your downloaded file and remember to keep it in zip file. Do not extract it. That's it. Click on it, click on Install. Then you need to find it and activate it. I have it activated. The next thing you should do is go to the side menu or just press N in your keyboard, and in the face builder select create new head. Right now you have a new head and you need to add some images in order to sculpt the head according to your image. The face builder itself recommends you that you use at least 7 pictures. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, I have a first picture, that is the picture that is front facing, and I have a text underline 01 picture. It's a picture I want to use for texture in my head. Let's start with the one picture. In this method, you need to select pins on the model and place it according to your image. For example, if I select the front of the nose, I should place it on the front of the nose of the character in my picture. Then the sides of the lip, then the eyes and ear. I think it's pretty fine on the first image. Then go to the next image and try to do the same on every other image that we have. And if you do the same mistake as me and your model turned around, just click on the reset camera, and if you want to remove all the pins, just click remove all pins. Always check for too much deformation and be cautious that you don't deform your model too much. If a picture for some reason deform your model too much, just delete it. Don't use that picture. Okay, after I place all the pins, just go to the texture part, click on the create texture and choose what picture to use for the texturing. If you have 2 or 3 pictures that have different sides and all have the same texture, just use all of them. It uses the pin position to find out how to texture your model. It's pretty good, but for now I just choose this one picture and click on the OK. I'm waiting for the result. As you can see, it's a pretty great modeler tool. Look at this model. There are a little bit of confusions and fixing to do, like the back of the head. But other than that, it's a great model and you can start your sculpting from here to a great likeness. It's great. You can fix textures here and there. But overall, it's a great starting point for your project. And if you liked the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much.